Hi, I am lost and confused where we're migrating to for the summer.
I can help you. Just follow me and I can explain where we're going and what we're doing.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You start on the Mexican coastline and go all the way up the coast until you reach the Arctic Ocean.
Oh, thank you. That explains a lot. Can you please tell me?
We have been affected by the human polluted waters. They make us very sick and sometimes can kill us. We get caught in trash a lot. We are the apex predator. We eat seabirds, squid, octopus, sea turtles, stingrays, and sharks. We eat 3 times to 4 times our weight each day. We have mastered hunting. We use many different strategies and tactics to hunt other animals. For example, for sea lions, we try to knock them off icebergs. For sharks, we learn that if we hit them in the stomach, they become paralyzed, so they won't move. For other animals, we use other strategies. We travel in pods. Our pods are based on the family of the mother. We live in coastal waters no deeper than 200 meters.